Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Small little package today. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. This year is almost over with. Santa Claus will be coming down the chimney soon. And you guys can check this out. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a normal website, I'll leave that also down below. So either or, both are safe to click. So you don't have to worry about that stuff. And then, yeah, check it out. You never know what you might find. But they got the, what is it? Prime Day sales going on now. Black Friday sales. So, all types of different sales. And here we go. Oh. Now, this is something nice. This is an M3 Translator Earbuds. Timekettle. Maybe I should go out and travel. 3-in-1 living translating. Phone calls, music, what? Multi-transaction modes, travel, business, self, English learned. 13 pairs offline. Wow. There's 40 languages. English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, French, German, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, Danish, Norwegian, Swedish, Finnish, Icelandic, Greek, Ukrainian, Czech, Slovak, Croatian, Bulgarian, hey, Romanian, wow, Slovenian, Thai, Vietnamese, Indonesian, Malay, Filipino, Telugu, hopefully I didn't pronounce that wrong, sorry if I did, Tamil, I don't know if you guys, there's Hindi, Arabic, Turkish, Urdu, Catalan, Polish, hey, Hungarian, Hebrew, Cantonese, wow, multi-accents, so you can switch off, holy smokes, this is something nice, guys. So a lot of you vloggers out there, either from TikTok or YouTube, Instagram, you guys are doing a lot of traveling, you might want to pick this up. Especially if you're going to different countries, you'll be good to go. But definitely, I usually wait around if I want to go travel right now. This is, I don't know, I'll wait till the election's over, see how the world is. Hopefully it's better, if you know what I mean. Really nice presentation. I'm liking this. Fancy. We got some stuff here. Bluetooth pairing, that's easy to do. We got the manual. This is cool. The Earbuds right there. I'm really liking how they put this together. That shows that they care for us consumers. So excellent job, Timekettle. Definitely excited to try this out. I kind of have one like a few years ago, maybe 5 years ago now, that I did one, which is okay. It kind of worked. So this looks way better than that one. So, but yeah, that was many moons ago. Almost done unboxing everything out. These are the replacement earbuds. So you get a few in there. If you guys can see it. I don't need to take those out yet, I don't think. Keep that to the side. Here's a manual. It's always a good thing to look at later on. But we'll just shoot it from as we go. I could probably pair this up with my tablet. But, you know, Android, iPhones, any other Bluetooth phones you have. There's so many different phones out there. Oh yeah, this is nice. Ooh. I think you could share these. Like you could have one ear and then the partner or your whoever you're trying to communicate with could have that in their ear so you could translate, which is really cool. And these are both magnetic. Ooh. It's like a little capsule. Kind of looks like Earbuds. Look at that. Timekettle. The M3 Translator. So guys, like I said, stocking stuffers, perfect. Definitely a perfect fit for stocking stuffers. And if you know somebody that travels a lot, especially out of country, you know, there's a USB to charge a case. But yeah, it's super lightweight. It feels really nice. The case. Here's Earbuds. But that's really cool how it's, you know. So if you're finally with your partner, put this back in the case. There's something right here. Tear off. Okay. Oh, okay. That's a to charge it. That's why they have it protected. So this is really nice though. Super comfy. Feels in my hand. We'll see how it feels in the ear. Because that's the important part. These tiny little dudes. Definitely kind of look like AirPods, or AirPods, whatever they're called. iPhone thingies. But yeah, you can have it like this. Oh, there's some casing. Some kind of sticker. Just peel that off. Two little stickers there. But yeah, definitely portable. Take that on the road with you for sure. And how do we turn these things on? Do I need to charge it? Some earbuds just turn on automatically once you take it out of the case, but maybe because these had the blockers on it, that they need to charge up a little bit. Let's try that way, see what happens. Okay, see? Okay, they're fully charged, it looks like. That's cool. Maybe it just needed a little boost to get it going. Now let's see what happens when... Maybe I do need to charge it. Let me grab the tablet. Yeah, see, these are ready. Okay, hold on. Okay, there's an app, Timekettle app download. So you might want to download that app, Apple Store and the Google Play. And like I said, all these apps are safe, no viruses. I'll show you in a second. And you can see right here, Timekettle, over 100K downloads. So pretty good ratings. Everything's safe. Like I said, W4 Pro, 40 languages. Let's get it going, guys. M3 Translator earbuds. Definitely excited. Yeah, see, with this, I was kind of right on and off. Once you take it out the case, it'll turn on. So I mean, pretty simple. Like I said, we got downloading the app, and we're using a tablet right now for demo mode. But you guys could download on your iPhones, your Android phones, which I like a lot better now as Android. I don't know what happened with iPhone, so maybe they just got greedy. But yeah, definitely excited. Test these things out in a few seconds once my app is done downloading. Be right back. Alright guys, once you log in, this is what it's going to pull up. Please take earbuds out of the case. So we're going to do that there. And they are flashing. New connection. Whoa, they are magnetic. Alright, let me... You can do online, please connect. Okay, there we go. Hold up. Alright, there we go. I had it on the wrong earbud. So to make sure to select the right picture, like these are the M3. So now we are... So we got a good amount for demo. And now these are connected. Connect. There we go. Now that's going to pop up. Give it a second. There we are. We are connected. Place some mobile microphone close. So we're going to do this right here. Make a little test run of this video. And then, ooh, see, these are working. Everything is good. So that's all typing it up. Oh, this is pretty cool, YouTube. Okay, got that work. I have to pause. And you can change the ambient sound. Change the Chinese. We can have, whoa. Let me see if I can hear this. Simplified English. So we got that working. Now let's go speaker mode. Experience now. Hello. Oh. Hello. Alright, there we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. So we got it going on. There we go. They'll tell you how to use things. Go back to home. Let me close this out. And then it should be up there. And then we are good to go. Okay, so there's teacher mode, touch mode. Well, yeah, it's really easy to use, guys. I'm no expert at this. What? Hello, 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 hello. Hello? Speak English? English? Speak English. Hello? Are we speaking English? Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, so you guys can't hear it. It comes through these. But yeah, everything works. Touch mode, listening mode, any problem mode. So, really cool. Thank you guys over at Timekettle. Sorry for the long video, but good stuff. Have a good day.